Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Ang ituturo ko ngayon ay kung paano mag-register ng Books of Accounts sa Online Registration and Update System or ORUS. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang actual registration of Books of Accounts ng isang newly registered taxpayer. Siya ay mayroon ng ORUS account, nakapag-login na using username and password. To start the registration, just click the secondary registration, click Books of Accounts, then click Register Books of Accounts. Makikita po ang taxpayer information, ang tax identification number, branch code, registered name, RDO code, and business address. Then, click Validate. Dito sa registration of books, TIN, branch code, and business address of taxpayer. Then, click Add Row. Ang Books of Accounts ng ating taxpayer ay manual. Dito sa type of books to be registered, is-search ang Cash Receipts Journal. Quantity 1. Last volume is 0 kasi first registration pa lang po ito. So, ang ating book ngayon kapag ma-register na ay volume 1. Validity period sa registration ng ating client. Siya ay nag-register noong June 7. So, 07/06/2024. Date of registration is June 11. Taxable year, ang taxable year natin ngayon ay nagsisimula sa January 1, 2024. So, pwede sa taxable year, since bago pa lang naman siya na taxpayer and small business lang siya, pwede na ang ating taxable year ay until December 31, 2025. Good for 2 years ang ating books of accounts. Hindi naman kaagad mauubos. So, next year, hindi muna siya magre-register. Sa 2026 na lang siya mag-register ulit. Click Add Row. Click Manual. Search for Cash Disbursement Journal. Quantity 1. Last volume is 0 dahil wala naman tayong last volume. Validity June 7, 2024. Date of registration automatic. Taxable year 01/01/2024. Maraming nagtatanong dito sa taxable year. Ang taxable year natin ay lagi pong nagsisimula sa January 1 at nagtatapos sa December 31. Naiiba lamang siya kapag corporation na pwede pong gumamit ng fiscal year. So, pag fiscal year, pwedeng February 1 to January 31, 2024. Parang ganon. Basta hindi siya nagsisimula sa January 1 at nagtatapos sa December 31 ay fiscal year. Tayong mga sole proprietor, ang ginagamit natin ay calendar year. January 1 to December 31. Click add row. Search for General Journal. Quantity 1. Last volume 0. Validity June 7, 2024. Taxable year 01/2024 to December 31, 2025. Click add. General ledger. Quantity 1. Last volume is 0. Validity June 7, 2024. Taxable year December 31, 2025. Click add. Then click continue. Click continue. Attachments, wala na pong kailangang attachments kapag manual books of accounts. Click review. So, 4 yung registered books of accounts natin. Cash Receipts Journal, Cash Disbursement Journal, General Journal, and General Ledger. Quantity 1, volume from 1 to volume 1. I-check lang yung mga box. Then, click Submit Application. Ganyan lang po kadali. Registration successful. Your registration for books of accounts is completed with application reference number, date June 11, 2024 with details, TIN, branch code, registered name, RDO code. An email confirmation was sent to your registered email address containing the details and other information. Click OK. So, narito na yung mga stamps. I-download itong stamps. I-print at idikit sa cover page ng books. Yan yung sample ng stamps. Sa iba ko pong video, may ipinakita po ako na samples ng Cash Receipts Journal, Cash Disbursement Journal, General Journal, and General Ledger. Doon po dapat idikit sa harap ng libro. Okay? Tapos na po tayong mag-register ng Manual Books of Accounts. Sana po meron na naman kayong natutunan sa aking tutorial video ngayon. Please like and share my videos para marami pa po tayong matutulungan ng mga bagong taxpayers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!